tried a little slow motion to show those grosbeaks. They move so quick. The roses have been very, very lovely. This one is called Above and Beyond. Enjoy the rose season very much. Gwen and actually the goat too have been spending a lot of time trying to get out of their pen area. The weird worm I mentioned in the title is this one, a horsehair worm. They lay their eggs in the water on plant life. Insects eat the eggs, and they parasitize the insects. They come out of water to mate, and then return to the water to lay eggs, and the cycle starts again. There's some baby blue jays begging to be fed. The weird thing about those worms is that they actually make the insects jump into the water. When the worms are ready to lay their eggs, they affect the insects in some way and make them jump into the water and drown themselves. Isn't that weird? Insects are bizarre. Very interesting, but bizarre. We've had a long dry spell, so I do have multiple places where the animals and the birds can enjoy some water.